Here are the majority of my clamps. I'm going to be building a rack to put them on the wall right over there.
So here is basically what I'm going to cut out. I went ahead and drew it on there so that I knew how much to rough cut. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one out and then duplicate it onto the other boards.
I taped 2 blocks together to cut them out at the same time on the bandsaw. And then I cut the corners off back at the miter saw. I removed the tape once all the blocks were cut and sanded. I cut a slight angle on the tops so that the clamps had a tendency to slide towards the wall and not off the rack.
Okay, so I cut out a spacer and set them up here so I could see how big of a back piece of wood I needed.
I used my nail gun and some glue to get everything into the right place. I used the spacer to put all the rest in the right place.
Next, I'm going to be drilling some pilot holes and putting some screws in the back. Just going to rub some paste wax on this just to protect it a little bit.
Once everything was done, I used some screws to secure it in place. Then it was time to fill it with my clamps.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video or got something useful out of it, please subscribe. Bye!